Good afternoon, folks. As you can see, we are cleaning the clubhouse today. And Miss Deborah is getting all of these spider webs. I'll just give you a walk. We've already gotten some of them, but we're giving you a before video, and you're gonna love the after. And this is the Tucker's Walk Clubhouse. So this is the bathroom that has to be cleaned. You're gonna love what we do to these sinks. And all this stainless steel. And these windows. And this one, it just sunk in. We've already gotten the spider webs in here. And this just gives you an idea of what we got to do with the windows. You see the spots and everything. So we're going to stand back, give you a look at the floor and what has to be done with the floor and the tables. And also, we will be cleaning the interior of these cabinets. As you can see, we will be getting all of these cabinets. And we will give you the post video. As you can see, it's still construction stuff in here, but we will give you the post video, the after video, after we're done. Let's see where Miss Deborah is right now cleaning. And she's still cleaning spider webs. Okay, we're doing the baseboards. And now, okay, we've got the kitchen area clean except for mopping the floors. Just give you an idea of the sinks. And you're gonna love this stainless steel refrigerator. We had to shine that up. Here, now we're gonna look in the cabinets. Make sure they're good. Microwave super clean. More cabinets, more cabinets. Oh, we gotta get this out. Oh, that's a nail. Okay. More cabinets. Let's go down here. More cabinets. Move that over. Okay. More cabinets. Drawers are clean. Drawers are clean. And all the tables have been wiped down. As you can see, some of them are still probably wet. And this is what we got. This room is clean except for being mopped. And as you can see, we shined a dispenser, paper towel dispenser. Now look at those sinks. Matter of fact, I gotta take pictures. Those sinks came out good. Okay, we're getting the windows now, as you can see. Miss Deborah is moving on to the second window. I'm getting the windows outside. So all we have to do is vacuum and mop after this, and we're done. Want to make sure your clubhouse is nice and beautiful, ready for the summertime. As you can see, we're outside doing the outside windows now, and there's a lot of spider webs, but We've already cleaned these windows here, so we'll give you a walk around outside of what we've done outside. And she's cleaning the interior windows, as you can see. So this is the outdoor windows. Step back. Step back. And as you can see, Miss Deborah is cleaning the interior windows. And we'll give you the after video after we vacuum and mop the floors and finish the windows. Okay, we're finishing up, getting ready to mop out of here. Okay, we've got the exterior of the windows and the interior of the windows. We're finishing up. We just have to mop the interior. And that's it. We're calling it a day. Another good clubhouse cleaning. Okay, we're mopping out now. We are done cleaning. This has been another clubhouse cleaning. As you can see, the floors are looking great. And we have Miss Deborah mopping out now.